morning, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is a new boat from Boston Whaler. This is our first one here at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. This is the 28 Vantage. Super design on it, some great improvements over the 27. First off, the ever reliable, super quiet 300 horsepower Mercury's on here. Nice boarding door on the back. When as you're coming through the boarding door, there's a shower. Rinse your feet off, rinse the salt water off of yourself. Check out this back seat on here. Look at how big that comes out and gives you support all the way underneath your legs. Perfect height on the backrest on here. Here's something that's big with it too. There's no knee busters or shin busters on these corners. Look at a lot of the competitors and you're gonna see that there's hard metal edges on a lot of their back seats. Not good. Hold that back away. Port side, look at the size of this boarding door on here. Boarding door, tuna door, dive door, whatever you want to call it. It's multi-purpose. It's great. It's heavy-duty hardware. Look at the size of the hinges on here. Look at the handle on here. A boarding ladder that flips around. Big fish boxes in the floor. Here's something that's really neat. Take a look at this. Grill hidden away underneath there. Underneath the grill, there's a refrigerator. Super comfortable Helm seat on here. Marine electronics package already on this boat. Beautiful large hardtop on here. It's going to give you tons of shade. Bow seating area that's nice and deep for the kids. They're going to be comfortable up there. Anchor windlass on this boat. This is a loaded 285. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Give me a call for a test ride.